Hello and welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. This is my another video for the revision of SQL for class 11 and 12. Today we will discuss how to modify our database in SQL. For this purpose, SQL uses alter command. Alter is a command which is used in SQL with three different clauses like add, modify and drop. All these clauses used to modify the database in SQL. Alter table used to restructure the table of a MySQL. It means for purpose to add any column, to modify the data type and size of any column, to rename the column, to modify the data type and size of the table column, we can use alter command. The syntax for alter command is alter table with table name and use add, drop or modify clause as per the user wish. If you want to add any column, we must use add clause. If we want to delete any column, we must use drop column. And if we want to change the size and name of any column, we must use modify clause. According to the syntax, you can easily see that alter table, table name, add column, name and data type. For this, SQL is given example like the basic syntax of alter command to add column. Add a new column in an existing table is as follows. If we are having a table student and we want to add another column admission number, we must use example as alter table student add admission number with data type integer. If we want to delete the same column, we must use the syntax like this: alter table, table name, drop column, column name. For this, we can write alter table student, drop column admission number. If we want to change the column of a table, we must use alter table, table name, modify column, column name and data type. For this, we must use a predefined name of a column. So, we can use alter table student, modify column admission number, and there should be a data type like char, varchar, integer, etc. So, these are the three basic commands and clauses which we can use to modify the structure of a table by adding, removing and modifying the data types of predefined column. We can also use the alter command to add and drop the constraints like to make a primary key, to remove a primary key, to make a null value, to set the default value, to make a foreign key, etc. by using the alter command. SQL contains different constraints like primary key, default value, not null, null, foreign key, etc. All these purposes can be performed using the alter command in SQL. We should write, if we want to make our column as not null, we must write alter table, table name, modify column name, data type not null. It means if we want to set admission number of student table should not be null, we must write alter table student modify admission number varchar not null. Similarly, if we want to make the value of the admission number should be unique, we must write alter table, table name, add constraint. There should be a myUnique constraint, unique, and we must fill all the columns which we want to act like a unique value. For this, we must write the example like alter table student, add constant, my unique constant. It means here you can write any user defined name including the unique clause, and within a parenthesis you must enclose all the column which you want to make to accept unique value. We can also provide a user defined conditions to check the conditions in a particular column. For this, we must write add alter table name, add constraint my unique constraint, check, and within the parenthesis we must write the condition. We can also apply the same on our student table. We must write alter table student, add constraint my unique constraint, check admission number should not be greater than 3000. The next is alter table name, add constraint my primary key as primary key column 1, 2 and etc. It means we can make more than one column as a primary key, but we must have to enclose all those columns within the parenthesis. For this, for student table we must write alter table student, add constraint my primary key as primary key roll number, admission number, etc. If we want to drop any constraint, we must write alter table name, drop constraint my unique constraints. It means my unique constraints are the user defined functions and syntax which we can drop by using the drop clause. For student table we must write alter table student, drop constraint my unique constraint. So these are the different ways to use alter command and modify our table SQL table. So let's try to use it in your SQL table. Bye for now.